In January 2021. This is according to Professor George Magoha, who held a consultative meeting with officials from all trade unions in education. Magoha says after holding meetings with the Ministry of Health, it appears as though the peak of the virus will be in September and might go down in January 2021. This has, however, elicited debate and insisting that the reopening of schools will depend on the virus and the status of coronavirus in the country. Our Education Affairs reporter Andrin Kilemi with the details.
The debate on when schools should resume has been ongoing since June, and the Ministry of Education has once again cast doubts on the September reopening date following the spike in the COVID-19 numbers in the country.
We started with many options, and we have kept on narrowing the options. And today we have discussed the options that are according to what is happening in the country as at the moment. As you are aware, a few days ago, we had a peak of 278. And since that time, we are in the hundreds.
And now schools might just reopen in January 2021. Education CS Professor George Magoha has hinted delays on reopening both primary and secondary schools.
The peak is likely to come in September, and by the grace of God, perhaps taper down around January.
Addressing members of the Fourth Estate after a Wednesday morning meeting with officials of trade unions in education, Magoha disclosed that the Council of Governors suggested that schools remain closed until the COVID-19 curve flattens.
The position of the parents has been very firm that we don't open until we achieve stability, which means until the curve is flattened. And in my view, the parents are one of the major stakeholders.
However, the elephant in the room now is how schools will adhere to the 1.5 meter rule on social distancing, especially in public schools, which have a high population of learners.
Whatever is going to determine whether we open or not would depend on whether social distancing can be achieved in school.
It now appears as though moving the reopening dates to January 2021 is a strategy to defeat an educational calendar crisis rather than a default date informed by the status of COVID-19 in Kenya. If schools are to reopen in September as earlier communicated, it would be a nightmare for Magoha and team to streamline the education calendar, and the glitches could take months if not years to correct. On the other hand, reopening in January in 2021 would be strategic since all learning institutions would have to retain the status quo with learners picking up from their current classes. Andrin Kilemi, TV47, Nairobi.